Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well and are happy. So here I am again with a super exciting video. Today I'm going to tell you guys how to list NFT on OpenSea. So let's get started. We're going to list NFT via MetaMask wallet. I'll first open the webpage of OpenSea. So first we have to do is download MetaMask extension from Google. And I would just pin this extension too, so that I can find it easily. Now we need to connect this to MetaMask. You can see what details we need to enter. I'm going to open my profile. You can see where to click. Before uploading NFT, we need to create collection first. When you click on sign, your collection will be created. Here, I'm going to put some of random image from gallery and then, wait a minute, it's just uploading. Okay, so now we'll add details like name and description. Whatever the details you have, you can write here in description, you guys. No need to worry, it's just a little requirement. Then you'll add blockchain of your choice. I'm going to add Polygon and then click on Create. Here you go. Almost done. So these are some simple steps you can follow. There are a lot more videos on YouTube, but with complex methods, so no need to make things more complex. Anyway, this is a free collection. Our NFT is created. Now we'll list it by choosing our price. You can see list so you can choose easily. Your every action on OpenSea will need a sign up on MetaMask. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys have any questions, ask freely in the comment box. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.